The GH5 offers a feature called Constant Preview. Constant Preview is a great feature when you're in the manual exposure mode because as you make adjustments to the aperture and shutter speed, you'll be able to see in real time the changes that have been made to the image. Constant Preview is defaulted to off when you get it from the factory. So if you set your exposure incorrectly, you're not going to see it on the back of the screen. If you look on the screen right now, this looks like a great exposure. But the minute I take the picture and I play it back, it's obviously underlit. So let's turn Constant Preview on and see how it affects the screen. Go to the camera's menu, go to the wrench with a C, select Monitor Display. Then we want to select Constant Preview, which is on page 4 of 6. We want to turn this feature on. Now that it's on, you can see in real time as I change the aperture. You can see it get brighter until we get the look we want. And now we've got a great exposure.
Panasonic.